Hi Revolve, my name is Madi Bernard and I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack for a weekend getaway. As things start to open up more and more, I feel like I am so ready for a little safe road trip. It's so overdue. So this weekend, in a few days, I'm heading to New Orleans on a road trip with my mom, my sisters, and my boyfriend. And I'm really excited to just like explore New Orleans. I've never been, and I wanted to pack some of my cute new Revolve pieces with you guys to take on the trip. I can't wait to wear them, take pictures in them, and explore the city in them. So I think we should get to packing. When packing for a trip, obviously I feel like it's important to know what you're going to be doing on the trip so you're prepared. You don't want to be underprepared. That is the worst, when you like get to a destination and you're like, I have actually nothing besides 2 big t-shirts, a bikini, and like a towel. I know that we're definitely going to be eating at a lot of restaurants. We're going to be exploring the city, walking around, just like exploring New Orleans. So I'm definitely going to pack for that. And with that being said, I have lots of super cute versatile day to night pieces, dresses, 2-piece sets, really everything in between. So I'm going to start with a little 2-piece set from Majorelle that I am loving. It's like cute grandma vibes, which I know sounds not cute, but I promise it is. First up, you have the tank top. It is ribbed with this like super cute like old grandma sweater pattern, which I love. I think it's adorable. And to go with that top, I do have a pair of shorts to match. They look like this. Again, very pajama bottom vibes. Pajama bottom vibes, pajama bottom vibes, pajama bottom vibes. Try saying that 4 times in a row. It's kind of hard. So that's the set, but before you're like, okay, that's so boring. Like, that's basically just sleepwear. No, we're gonna elevate it and we're gonna pack something that is gonna take it to the next level, which is what I'm wearing right now. So this is a Shacket, and it's this gorgeous like cream that totally matches the set with like a nice nude thrown in there, checkered, so cute, so comfy and warm. But putting this on top completely elevates the look, and it's such a cute like daytime look. Honestly, like I would pair this with white trainers, like sneakers, a pair of white socks, a cute shoulder bag, my hair in a claw clip. I think it's the perfect daytime look. I just think it's so cute. Pair with even like some sunglasses. It's the perfect daytime spring exploring, walking around outfit. The next 2 pieces that I'm 100% gonna bring on my trip with me are a pair of shorts and a skirt. These are white. I think that that's perfect for spring. It's just kind of like bright and fun. Okay, so the reason I love the shorts, first of all, is the string wraparound detail. The strings like go around your waist and really accentuate the smallest part of your figure, and it just looks so cute, and they definitely elevate the shorts. So I love these. I wear them high-waisted and they go with any top. I'm gonna pack a few tops actually that work well with the shorts, so very easy thing to just bring along. And I also am gonna bring, like I said, this white skirt. It's just like, it looks basically like a tennis skirt. It's a really nice cotton material, very soft, light, and flowy. And I think you can totally dress this up at night or dress it down with some sneakers. So I just want to be sure I'm bringing versatile pieces along with me. Next up, we have a piece from Lovers and Friends that I am completely in love with and that I will 100% be wearing this weekend. It's this super cute satin pink, kind of like salmon top, and you guys, like, you don't understand until you put this on. It just kind of looks like just like nothing special, but when it's on, it's so flattering and so nice. They go into like this bell-bottom sleeve that is so just flattering. I don't know what it is about it, but as soon as I put this on, I knew it was going to be in my suitcase, and I love it with any of the bottoms that I've shown you. It works with literally all of them. Then we have a set from Lovers and Friends. It's a tank top and a sweater duo. You do purchase them separately. They don't come together, but if you're thinking about it, I highly recommend. They're so good together. So it's a staple style top with thick straps and just kind of like a square shape, but where that really gets elevated and brought to a new level is when you pair it with the sweater. And obviously it is cropped. It's the same material, whatever, as the tank, and they just together look like you have your life together, which is what I love. I just love like matching pieces like this because they're so effortless and easy. And again, like you can pair this with a pair of jeans for dinner with heels, or you can pair it with like the white pair of shorts for kind of like a daytime look. There's so many ways you can style this, and because of all of the colors in here, there's so many other things you can pair it with. So adding that to the pile. I'm definitely gonna pack this terry cloth skirt from Lovers and Friends. It's in this really cute pink color, and I think it's perfect as a beach cover-up, which I'm not going to the beach, but bathing suit cover-up. I wish I was going to the beach, I really do. Or you can pair this with any of the tops I showed you for a super pink monochromatic look. Trust me, it's cute. The next piece is a jumper, and honestly you can totally dress this up for dinner, but I would personally wear this for a more chill setting, like if you're just hanging out, going to brunch, something very casual is kind of how I see myself styling this. So the jumper is this amazing camel, like light tan color, and it's this amazing stretchy knit that is so comfortable. You'll never want to take it off. I don't think I will take it off this weekend. I'll probably wear it every chance I can get. It buttons all the way down the front. It has long balloon sleeves, and it goes into shorts, which I love. I'm not really ready for, well, obviously because it's summer, but I wouldn't want to wear like a full long pant jumpsuit. That would just get very sweaty very fast. So it's nice to have a shorts option, and you can still stay warm with the knit. Last but not least, I have a piece from Lovers and Friends. It is a long sleeve mini dress. It's a really nice blue color with like the stripes going through, very subtle. Again, long sleeve, collar dress, a little V in the front. The way I picture this dress is with, honestly, like these sunnies, white trainers, high socks, and a little black bag. And it is double lined, so you can feel comfortable and confident that it's not see-through and that you're good to go. I'm glad we have our suitcase together, all our staple outfits for the weekend. Obviously, I'll add my bras and underwear and all that good stuff later, but it's good that we have all our main pieces and outfits for the weekend. Next, I'm going to quickly show you what I have in my little makeup carry-on. I always hold my makeup with me in another bag so that the airline employees do not break my stuff, because it's happened before. I've also had a ton of stuff stolen, so I am not taking that risk. Let's get into it. I'm all about minimal makeup right now, so I'm not bringing a ton of stuff. I don't want to overdo it. I just want to have a chill weekend and not really worry about what I look like too much. So the first makeup item I'm bringing is my Ilia skin tint. It has SPF in it, and it gives you such a nice glow. I'm also going to bring my NUDESTIX Bondi Bay bronzer and sun-kissed blush. These are such a must-have for me right now. They give me the most perfect cheek situation, and I love it. I'm definitely gonna bring my Supergoop Glow Screen. This, with or without makeup, is Chef's Kiss. I have to have my favorite Summer Fridays lip balm and my Kajur Weiss lip liner in the shade, what shade are we in this? Soft. Have to bring some blotting powder. This is Supergoop Resetting Mineral Powder. I'm packing my Ilia highlighter stick. It's so compact and gives you such a good glow. Look at that. My Ilia bronzer is a must-have. I have shade Drawn In. Obviously gonna need some concealer, especially if we have a few drinks. I definitely want to look awake when I wake up, so I'm bringing my Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless concealer in the shade number 3. And last but not least, for a nighttime look, I love cream shadows. They're really easy to apply. So I got this one off of REVOLVE Beauty. It's the Ilia Liquid Powder Chromatic Eye Tint in the shade Hatch. It's this really nice kind of like green, like muted green, which is different for me, and I want to try it out. Everything I've shown you today, from clothing to makeup, you can get on REVOLVE and REVOLVE Beauty, so be sure to check the links out down below to shop for everything I showed you. If you guys want to see how my trip went and you also want to see some outfit pictures, then follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Madi Bernard and my YouTube channel is the same. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have safe travels wherever you go. Let me know your favorite outfit in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.